to take it up there?
He said he can drop it on a backyard, not maybe in a hole.
As long as he can drop it by the hole, then as long as you guys can take it, I'll unstrap it. I didn't want to unstrap in case they couldn't take it.
Yeah.
They're not sure the crane's big enough.
Yeah, I know, but we need to unload it anyway.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Do you see what happened with driveway?
No.
It's broke.
Oh, he just did it now? The crane?
If he will be in this position, we can put it in a hole. Yeah, he good. See? It's more than enough.
Okay. Let him know.
How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, you good.
I've seen you a minute.
You good. If you drop like this, I can push it in a hole. Do you have straps?
How do you normally rig that?
Just four corners. Usually we do it.
And you don't break it when I pick it up?
No.
I gotta sit back down. I can't do this.
And this is cracked, but still in a level.
I gotta suck this back in real quick. I gotta do something about that.
Give me straps for now.
I gotta make sure I can not sink
Okay. For both of them?
Huh?
For both?
Yeah, all one on each one of them.
No way, just drop it maybe in the front yard.
That is too unsafe. I cannot safely operate this crane with that driveway doing that.
Won't even take it off the trailer.
I know.
What a fucking...
I said him put just right here, that's it.
He said no.
I can't move. I can't leave this spot without being on my truck. I can back up a little bit, but I can't leave this property. I can't leave this spot without sitting on my truck. Get you to pull up. I'll set up out here.
Put it right
set up the
there?
Yard,
Okay, thank you.
and I guess they're going to send a bigger crane Wednesday.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
I'll pull forward.
Yeah, let me get out. I'll get set up out here.
That'll work.
Get you out of here.
He should first put piece of wood and then put his...
I have a whole attic full of 1.5 inch cypress.
I've never seen him put the outrigger down without the pad on it first.
Well, the scar is there. You can see it.
And I recording everything.
Oh, did you?
Oh, yeah.
Young generation.
I wouldn't know how to do that. I wouldn't know how to do that. But for these reasons, Nick records everything.
That's good.
Set up a GoPro when we put it in.
Man, I'm upset. He good guy.
Oh, yeah.
He set up for us maybe 5 pool or 6 already, easy.
He just didn't want to do it.
He just nervous because he broke driveway. It's his blame. So I know you don't have enough to put in a hole, but if you put just right here, like run through the here and put...
Yeah, I know how to do it. I mean, I know, yeah, that's the only place I'm gonna be able to put it.
Yeah, that's it. Probably.
Hey, have they gone over your, you know, that if I back over this and crack your concrete, and I'm not...
Well, the last guy cracked the concrete. Okay. But he didn't put pads down.
Well, I mean, obviously I gotta put pads down. And stuff.
Well, he didn't bother. You can see the print up here.
But it was big crane. Yours is light.
He stomped a perfect circle in it. He didn't bother putting pads down.
About a foot
No, we're good.
You good?
My grandson is gonna absolutely love that video. He loves excavators.
Oh,
He
cool.
loves them, loves them, loves them.
Yeah. Yeah, I will now adjust all sizes, level, so we're good. Couple comments? No?
Yeah, we're here. Finally, concrete showed up 2 hours late. So glad I finally made it. We're gonna get the footings poured, get our concrete beam poured, and get out of here. It's cold today.
How you doing, man?
See you out.
Our stuff's kind of wet, you know.
Yeah, let's put somewhere, whatever.
Yeah, pour it down there so it don't get
Okay.
all over the house.
All right.
So today we're starting the pavers on the job. This is day 8 of the project. Is our paver base. Got a beautiful pavers going in.